Yeah, so I like this wall, guys, on dollar CAD now. You can play that. Keep an eye on that 5-minute cycle into lunch. I'm going to be doing a webinar tomorrow. I'm going to be talking a little bit about, I'm going to put together some lessons on psychology of trading. I mean, I like to categorize it as mental analysis, and I think you really in trading you have fundamental analysis, technical analysis, mental analysis, and then cyclical analysis. Nobody really spends time on the mental analysis, which isn't just cliche risk and reward. It's more about how you manage your risk and how you mentally think about risk, how you think about your trading, how you think about your trading day, how you think about the ego, how you think about the model and process, what emotional triggers you have. And I'd rather have somebody that has a psychology major than somebody that's just well-schooled Ivy League. I'd rather have a trader that understands the psychology. Anyway, so let's just review pound yen. Let's do euro on this side. All right, so for those of you that are watching this on recording, we came in this morning, 30-minute trend. I mean, I even put this on Twitter, this exact spot where the market failed today, this morning. It was this entire zone right here. All of this. It's these lows where the market broke. You came down here. You came down here. You bounced back. You failed at the underside of it. This whole area was resistance. So I talked about when we first put the short on, we first signaled it, we want to be a seller into 112. And that's exactly where we failed. So we've been trading around on the 1 minute. There's been pretty much no movement this morning, but we did cover into these lows. So we made a little bit here, but I mean, that's all the market's given us in the New York session so far. And then on the other side here, pretty good trading on Dragon also. So here on pound yen, it was a little bit different. On the euro, we had oils popping. Yeah, we got crude oil right now. Let's take a look at that real fast. Thanks, John. Taking a run. I'm probably going to sell some. Futures guys are at 52. 52 to 53 is my sell zone. But here, real quick on Dragon. Here you had the bands were rising on the 30-minute, but you also have an 8 that's this way. And you can see it on the 15-minute as well. On the 15-minute, you have the bands up here. So it's kind of, the market's trapped between, we talked about this, it's trapped between all this and then this. So it's trapped between this. This is probably why it's been so choppy this morning. But we still timed it up pretty well. And the 15-minute cycle crossed here, right here. Would have liked to see some follow through. But we sold into this 145 area. This actually started my trading here short here, small, sold heavier into this bounce here, covered some, and then sold some more up into this rally. And then I actually doubled the position here on this candle because we took out the swing line right here. But this never experienced any follow through. And so then we traded back up in here, and we talked about the risk was above this area. All right, and then we came in here, we got the flush on what was that, guys? Was that on CAD? I forget. Anyway, we got a little bit of a flush there. We covered into these lows, reshorted into 145, covered into these lows. Pretty choppy. Would have been nice to see some more follow through after this candle as well, and we just didn't get it. So here's what that trading looked like. Just initial short. This is what I was saying, selling into that 15-minute bands, cover, reshorted here, and then covered into these lows, reshorted into 145, covered. It's like zero movement, but did the best we could from what we had. And then the euro, it's just been choppy. Short. Oh, here we covered in front of Draghi. We just took half off because we didn't want to go through Draghi. Put it back on short here, covered, short, covered. Took a break even basically here. I just have a small lot on left. Anyway, guys, good session overall. Small gains today. Like I said, for anybody that's watching, we'll do 1 p.m. Eastern. Just instead of just talking about the model and the charts, we're going to get into some more psychology of trading, and then do some stuff around cyclical analysis. So it'll be good. We just do a new share here. Show some people the real-time alerts room. So anyway, small gains here today. You can see that. Small gains pound yen, small gains on the euro, $400, 450. Dollar Swissy was up a little today. Still core long there. Anyway, it's kind of a slow day, but you can see this is what we, signal in our real-time alerts room. That's for everybody that's on the full access team. Did anybody trade oil there? Andrew, did you get involved? The build was for 20,000. Yeah, I didn't either. Just came shy of 52. I think that's this. I really think that's the sell zone. Who's still in what? Are you guys still in pound yen? No, you're out. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably, I don't want to trade much here through 10:30 through lunch, so I'm probably going to cover this pound yen short. It's just been sideways. But how'd you guys do? Everybody pretty much make a little bit of money today, chopping around the euro, chopping around dragon. Yeah, smash and grab wins. I don't know. But hey, we did pretty much nailed what we could have. I mean, we didn't get a lot of movement, and we picked off the 1 minute pretty well. So, all right, guys. All right, good stuff. Well, hey, enjoy the rest of your trading day. I'll hit you up in the chat room. All right, you're welcome. And maybe we'll get on a little earlier tomorrow in the live room. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your trading day. Thanks, Johnny. All right, Andrew, Dave, Colin. Yeah, now this dragon's popping through. It's a good thing we got out. All right, guys, I'll hit you up a little later.